Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a product from one store to another on Squarespace. This is incredibly useful when you're managing multiple shop pages and want to reuse product listings without having to recreate everything from scratch. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard where you can see all your websites from the dashboard. Simply click on the website where you want to duplicate a product from one store to another. This will take you into that specific site's management area where you can access all your pages and settings. Now look at the left side menu and click on Website. Under this section, you'll see several options, but we're interested in pages, so go ahead and click on that. This will display all the pages currently on your website, including your shop pages. In this example, you can see there are two shop pages, Shop and Shop 2. The goal here is to duplicate a product from Shop and then move that duplicate over to Shop 2. This keeps your inventory organized across different storefronts, so click on the Shop page to open it. Once inside, click All to view all the products currently listed in this shop. This gives you a complete overview of everything you have available. Next, locate the product you want to duplicate. You'll see three dots beside each product listing. Click those three dots next to your chosen product, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click Edit. This opens up the product editor where you can make changes. Now look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the duplicate icon. Click on it to create a copy of your product. After duplicating, you'll have the option to rename your duplicate product, which is helpful for keeping track of your inventory and avoiding confusion later. Once you've renamed your duplicate, click Save in the upper right corner, then click Publish to make sure your changes are applied. Give it a moment to process and save everything properly. Now, if you return to your shop page and click All again, you'll notice that the duplicate product has been created successfully. However, it's currently on the same page as the original. To move it to Shop 2, click on the duplicate product you just created. After clicking on it, you'll see an option labeled Move. Click on that, and a menu will appear showing your available shop pages. Check the box next to Shop 2, then click Move Product to confirm the transfer. Now navigate over to Shop 2 inches by selecting it from your Pages menu. Once you're there, click All to view all the products in this shop. And there you have it. The duplicate product has been successfully moved to Shop 2. You've now streamlined your product management across multiple stores on Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.